Hello and welcome. I've only just built this Lego Ferrari 488 GT3, and before you should consider buying this product for racing, we are going to do a ANCAP rating, ANCAP crash test. We've got pole crash, full brick crash, we've got side-on crash, and all that kind of stuff, and reverse crash. And we'll see how this car performs. Ooh. This car went poor from the front crash. The entire front has been crashed out. Since this vehicle has no airbags, the driver will not be protected from this crash and can get a serious fractured skull. A fractured skull? This could happen. There could be a potential fractured skull. So just be careful. Parts are easily able to be fallen off. So that was the front on course. Now let's do the side strip front on. And this thing's having a problem because of the front crash. They're just altering here. Three, two, one. Ooh. This time it went a little better. That was side on. Still less damage. It was not the best score. And we're going to do side crash. Ooh. This time side test has gone a little bit bad. Lost a wheel. The wheel has appeared to be fallen. And it's secure. And also one more piece has fell, which is the same spot. ANCAP rating. Yes, this car can get repaired. It will take quite some time for it to get repaired. And that was just from the right hand side, and this is from the left. Yes. Ooh, yeah. This time it went a little bit better. No wheels popped out. It was a close call for the bumper to fall off. The spoiler is just there for fun. It's just a fun thing, and it just easily falls off, making the roads more congested. Last but not least, the reverse crash. Ooh. Other stuff. rock thrown. And that's if there was a sign falling off, it actually will go quite well. From something light compared to something heavy. Oof. They're just mini parts. Overall, this car will go excellent for if something falls off, like a highway sign, if it's been misclipped from the screws, and if some road company forgets to inspect on them. Okay, last but not least, the reverse crash. From rear crash. Okay. Oh. Wasn't it? That wasn't. Boom! This time the rear wheel falls off when it's crashed. It doesn't go substantial enough. This car doesn't fully protect the driver. The wheel falls off, the spoiler will fall off all the way through, which we're not surprised. And that was a reverse crash. And the wheel fell off. That wheel fell off for the very first time. Yep. And we'll just see if it reverses into something. Like boom. That's a lot of damage on this luxury performance car. It does quite a fair bit of damage to the back from side strip. And overall, that's the end of the test. Please comment how much out of 5 this car has been tested into overall.